everybody, it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you once again, and today I'm not going to be talking about PMP or about myself. I'm going to be talking about others who know a lot more about buses than I do, and I'm talking about our friends at the Northwest Vehicle Restoration Trust, which are currently based at Kirkby on the outskirts of Liverpool. And in 2021 we decided to offer sponsorship to the trust, and they graciously accepted it, and we sealed the arrangement with a visit to their Kirkby premises where we played buses basically. What attracted me to them was the friendly nature of everybody involved in their annual running days. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the trust and also have a look at our visit in November 2021 and some of the past running days that I've enjoyed there. And if you like what you see, well, we'll give you details of where you can join up and be a member. There's really room for everybody from every sort of background, and whatever your talents are, I'm sure the trust would welcome more help. So sit back, enjoy, and then join up. And I'll speak to you later. Well, 2021 marked the 10th anniversary of the creation of the Northwest Vehicle Restoration Trust and its move to the current base at Charliewood Road in Kirkby. The trust was officially set up back in August 2011 to bring together people with a common interest in the saving, in the restoration of preserving historic vehicles and associated items, along with keeping restoration skills alive for future generations. In addition, they wanted to ensure that future generations would have the opportunity to learn, understand and enjoy achievements in the development of historic vehicles by preventing the loss of irreplaceable relics and materials, by providing accommodation and appropriate maintenance facilities for the historic items to be saved. Based at Kirkby Merseyside, the Trust's aim is to actively engage local people into the insight of the historic development of vehicles through the eras, and for the general awareness to the local area of the Northwest Vehicle Restoration Trust, what it does and its collection. The space available there will also allow the development of a definitive collection that comprehensively reflects vehicle design, development and operations between the late 1940s and the 1990s. And the Trust has recently gained local recognition from Knowsley Metropolitan Borough Council, and they work closely with the council and gain public awareness via the council's free door-to-door publications, which promotes active social organisations within the metropolitan area, which is really good, isn't it? Because it's involving local people and they're going to see the vehicles and they'll be wanting to hop on and have a free ride, no doubt. Well, they can. You just need to become members. Or of course they can go to the open day. Well, I said I wouldn't talk too much about PMP, and I won't. You've heard it all before, haven't you? But we were founded back in the 1970s. So we've been doing what we do in one shape or another for an awful long time, over many decades. And we're no longer the young whippersnappers we were as we approach our 70s. And I'm not saying how old Mandy is, I'd rather just nick a piece of cake. It's a lot less hassle. Anyway, along the line we sponsored some long established events over past decades, and that included the Heart of the Pennines Rally, centred on the Peace Hall at Halifax. And then after that we had many years sponsoring the Potteries Omnibus Preservation Society's events, which were held at the Wedgwood Centre in Barlaston in Staffordshire. And it seemed that it had been a while since we had done any sponsorship. It wasn't for the lack of wanting to do it, just it had never really cropped up. And I felt, having attended the Northwest Vehicle Restoration Trust's running day, they had the right attitude and approach to both the modern bus industry and the enthusiast sector. The relaxed, friendly atmosphere at their events, they reminded me of early bus events I'd gone to and enjoyed, and I thought perhaps the Trust might appreciate some funding. Thus was the relationship formed, and we both hoped that PMP could do its best to promote the Trust through its social media presence and our filmmaking skills, or not, to promote the Trust and its great work in preservation.
Always interested in that sort of thing.
Because I think every date I ever had, I didn't mention buses for a while.
No.